is that time of the week. Our guest, Kay Mukaigawa, joins us for Living Akamai, along with a colleague, to discuss down payments.
With us today is Nelson Oyadomari, Branch Manager from Primary Residential Mortgage. Thanks for joining us, Nelson.
Thank you.
So you recently did a workshop for us about mortgage programs that feature little to no down payment. Do you see buyers waiting to purchase because they think they don't have enough cash?
Yes, absolutely. You know, the National Association of Realtors say that only 11% of home buyers realize that a home can be purchased with just 5% down. And 2/3 of millennial renters say they don't have enough saved for a down payment because most felt they needed to save at least 20% of the purchase price.
So what are some of these low down payment programs?
Well, first is the incredible VA loan program that requires no down payment. If you're active duty military, a reservist, or retired military, you do not need any down payment. And VA does not have loan limits. For an example, we just financed a Navy officer's home purchase for $1.2 million. He had to put no down payment and had to bring in just under $10,000 for closing costs. If you're not military, but buying in a rural area, USDA, or the United States Department of Agriculture, also offers 100% financing. But Kay, these areas are not exactly rural. We're talking Eva Beach, Kapolei, Makakilo, just to name a few.
Are there any low down payment programs available to buyers not in the military and maybe wanting to purchase a little closer in town?
Yes, there is. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac both have 3% down programs, but they do have some qualifying restrictions like income limits. But if you have at least a 5% down payment, there are no limitations other than the normal being able to qualify based on your credit and your income.
So these programs still require some type of down payment option. And for someone purchasing closer to town, is there programs available with no down payment?
You know, Kay, every lender and bank has their unique in-house loan program, so you should definitely ask your mortgage professional. But at PRMI, our company, we have a unique community lending program that allows for 100% financing by combining a first mortgage with a 4% second mortgage. Again, there are restrictions, so while not for everyone, it could be an option for home buyers with very little cash saved.
That's great. I didn't hear you talk about FHA loans. I'm sure those are still available, aren't they?
Yes, they still are. FHA, though, requires a 3.5% down payment. And if purchasing a condominium, the condo project must be on FHA's approved list. Because Fannie Mae requires less down, it's been the more popular choice. However, if someone went through a rough financial period and their credit scores are on the low side, they might not qualify for Fannie Mae's program, and a 3.5% down FHA program might be your best bet.
You know, so there's a saying, you don't know what you don't know, and every person looking to purchase a home should know about these financing options.
You know, we think so too. Most don't take the time to run the numbers and understand what's out there. And because rents and home prices are still rising in most areas, our advice is to meet with your trusted mortgage professional now, learn your options, and start building wealth through home ownership today.
I certainly believe in building wealth through home ownership. Thank you to Nelson Oyadomari with Primary Residential Mortgage for this very helpful information. You know, these guys have a bunch of seminars, and if you want to get a hold of them, give us a call at 808-725-2000, and we'll be happy to hook you up. Thanks for joining us, and thanks for letting Engel and Volkers Honolulu simplify your life.
Great information. Thank you, Kay and Nelson. And of course, all past segments are on KHON2.com.
Nice. And that can be you. Thumbs up with the money bags.
Oh, I just want the money bag. I'd be like...
Yeah, right? Always such a great advice. So if you want to learn more, again, we'll have all their info on our website as well. Yep. Very cool. Thanks so much, Kay.